Okay, that was like a pretend stop, but I'll take it. Fuck it. Oh, good. Well, besides gravel. Alright. Back in action. What's going on, YouTube? You know what? I think I saw that guy earlier today. That's actually hilarious. Alright, not how you really get into one of these, but fuck it. Smells like a skunk. Literally smells like a skunk. So, what's new with everybody? Hopefully, fun and exciting things. Hopefully, lots of wealth coming your way. And freedom. Don't forget freedom. Freedom's the bigger part. Oh, that's a nice little whoop. Alright. See, freedom allows you to do stupid shit like what I'm doing right now, you know? Going for a rip during the day. Well, not so free. We ran into a garbage truck here. Hope they don't get fucking annihilated coming over the hill. Nope. Good. Gotta love that quick shifter. So sick. It's like you literally only need your clutch to get out of gear from first. I mean, if you're going slow, probably first to second, but after that, I think they say it's after about 50 kilometers an hour is when you can start operating with it. So yeah. That's cool too. Looks like a driveway from a scary movie. Like trees cascading around the driveway. I would so do that. That's cool. Hello, Mr. Horsey. You know what? I kind of want to see what's down this road. Oh, good. Well, besides gravel. Fun. Well, whatever. If I didn't know how to ride on it, then I probably wouldn't have done that, but it's not a big deal. Oh, shit. Check out this guy's fucking entrance. That is insane. It'd be funny if there was like little people working in there, like guards. Like, what are you looking at? keep on rolling, boy. You know? Huh. Is that all gravel there? Nope. Alright. Just a wonderful road repair. Oh, that's a pot. Fucking pothole. Oh, what's this? Another little... Well, who knew? We will go down there after. I thought they said it's a no exit. Unless that fog street goes to nowhere. Could be that. Oh man, this is secluded over here. Let me guess, that's all going to be gravel down there? Probably. Oh, fucking building a home down here. That's sick. Cool. Hello. Yeah, I'm starting to become a new fan of these taking random roads. You just, I don't know, never know what you find. See some cool shit, right? That's a nice little neighborhood. Holy shit. Besides the sand on the road. Oh, another scary movie. Okay, I don't know what the fuck that is. That's weird ass shit. What's this? King City Lodge? There's a lodge here. In King. What? What is it, like a restaurant? What the fuck's the lodge? Do you sleep there? Oh, it looks like they kind of got lazy and didn't finish the road here. What's this? For Sale. Oh wow, that's a cool little nice driveway. Look at that. See, that's a nice little entrance too. Okay, I'm still interested in this though. This is weird. Like private property, no parking. What the fuck? Okay, well, I'm fascinated by that. See, like I said, you start going down weird ass roads and you find some weird ass shit never even knew existed. Weird. Don't know what the hell that is, but cool. Oh, it's just yield. It's not even a stop sign. It's just like, alright, go ahead, hope for the best. That's nice. I would rock that. Ah, fucking itchy forehead. I probably shouldn't open my mask. With my luck, I'm gonna get like a big fat horsefly that lands right in there. You know, just, you know, in the place where you can't get. You have to literally pull over to pull him out. If he doesn't tear half your face off. Well, that was fun. That was fun. Oh, no front brakes on gravel, folks. Okay, that was like a pretend stop, but I'll take it. Fuck it. Whee! Ah, don't come to a complete stop. Come on. Come on. Why you gotta break the vibe? Fuck. Fucking hairy asshole. hills are fun too. I know I don't have too many curvy roads around here, but at least the hills are fun. Well, I mean, for me, you know, you get that weird exciting feeling as you go up and over them, where it's like your stomach wants to kind of jump up and jump right out of your brain. Yeah, that feeling. Okay, so Turtle Crossing. Do you know I've never actually seen a turtle walk by here? And I've been down these roads, God, forever. Fucking 42 years old, right? So go to another little cool place here. How the fuck do you get in? Closed for service. Oh no, it's open. Fucking suck it. Monastery Shrine. Oh, there's even a retreat house. Wow. Well, looks like we're closed for today, folks. Alright, fun. Well, I hope everybody had a good time doing that. Yeah, I sure as hell did. My God, that was a great visit. Really got to, glad I got to show you guys all that, you know. Oh, fuck, that road's closed too, eh? Oh, we're turning. Actually looked all right. Sorry, I had a phone call there. I had to put you on pause. Or hold. Or whatever you want to think. Sure. Gotta get home, go to the gym, which is in my basement. This guy's fucking moving for this road. Good for you. Man, there's some monster houses over there. I don't know who it is. Somebody bought this whole piece of land and I guess made like a whole bunch of houses for his family, which is like such a cool idea. There's got to be like a couple of 100 acres over there maybe. Everybody's got, you know, like 15 or 20. Their house takes up 10 of it. Huh. Fucking awesome. Fucking awesome. Whoop. There we go. Stay. Oh, good. Nice dust on the road here. Perfect. Yeah. technically speaking, they should have a street sweeper going by literally almost every time a truck comes out. That's what I would be doing anyway. Just have them there the whole day, you know. Alright, it's a little dirty, get out there, you know. Otherwise, it's kind of like safety hazard. That's coming from the guy on the motorcycle. So, yeah. Fucking got a little excited there. I kicked the back end out. Whoops. Well, anyway, probably end it here. I will see you guys next time. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, which you're going to see, you know, probably at the end credits here. The outro, as they call it. And, yeah, we'll see you next time.